RepairDesk allows you to manage everyday shift change activities, such as opening and closing register shifts, cash counts and other tender in the till drawer when changing shifts, payouts and pay-ins from the cash drawer, multiple users using the same register, making payment adjustments, and viewing a shift report with essential data. In this video, we'll guide you through setting up the shift management module in RepairDesk. To begin, navigate to Store Settings, then select Cash Registers from the menu. If the cash register module isn't enabled, toggle it on. You can view all virtual cash registers from this section. If you have multiple counters with shared or separate payment terminals or printers, we recommend creating a second virtual cash register. To do so, click on the plus button. Select the associated store, enter the virtual cash register name as Counter 2, and assign it to one or all employees using the checkboxes. Once you've entered all the details, click Save Cash Register. Next, click on Cash Drawer to set up currency denominations. You can customize the cash drawer settings according to your currency, adding or deleting rows as needed. The default settings are in USD, but you can easily modify them for your local currency. You can also further configure the cash drawer based on your store's specific needs. Hide over or short balance on closing. If you enable this, the system will not display the balance discrepancy at the end of the shift. Make start or join shift mandatory. If you turn this on, employees must start or join a register before making any transaction. We highly recommend using this option. Make end shift mandatory. This will ensure employees close their register shift and reconcile the cash register before checking out. Enabling display balance in cash register. If you allow this, you can add a float amount, the minimum amount to be maintained in the cash drawer. The system will only allow you to close the register with this minimum cash balance. Automatically close the shift register. This option allows you to set a specific time to close the cash register automatically. If your store closes at 6 p.m., you can automatically close the shift at 7 p.m. each day. Receive an email or SMS reminder before automatically closing the shift. If you set a time to close the shift automatically, you can also set an alert with email or SMS before closing the shift. The system automatically sends an email or SMS to the employee who starts the shift 30 minutes before closing the register automatically. Online cash register to log online payments. If you use WooCommerce or the Shopify integration in RepairDesk, you can log your online payments separately in the virtual online cash register. If you enable this option, the system will automatically start the online register at the time of the first online payment and closes it at the end of the day automatically. Once you've updated your settings, don't forget to click Save Changes. Additionally, in the Notifications tab, you can enable end of shift summary notifications for employees via email or SMS. After making your selections, click Save Changes to apply them. And that's all there is to setting up cash registers in RepairDesk. Check out our next video to learn about opening and closing register shifts in RepairDesk. The link is in the description below. For more details, refer to our knowledge base, or if you have any questions, please contact our support team at support@repairdesk.co. Thanks for watching, and have a great day!